Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to configure a proxy in the PanAIO bot. PanAIO is an e-commerce bot designed for purchasing sneakers and accessories from popular online platforms like Amazon, New Balance, and Zalando. It can automatically track prices, promotions, and make purchases. For safe operation, it's recommended to use a proxy. Let me show you how to set it up correctly. Launch the bot and locate the Proxies tab on the left side. Click on the tab to open a window displaying all your proxies. To create a new group for your proxies, click on the Add button. In the pop-up window, enter the name of the new group and click the green circle to confirm. With the group created, you can now add your proxies. Click on Add Proxies at the bottom left. A new window will open displaying the format for entering your proxies. For free proxies, use the format IP:port. For private proxies, use the following format instead: IP, port, username, and password separated by colons. Enter your proxy details and click the green circle to confirm. To test the proxy's functionality, click on the Test All button. A green indicator in the status field indicates the proxy's proper functionality. A red indicator means the proxy is not operating and you should set another one or check the current setting. That's it. The proxy is ready for use with your profiles. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.